Hello, Cardinals. It's Mr. Mon, and we're going to talk about Investigation 4.4, Identifying Air Pressure and Weather. You'll be getting a student sheet that looks an awful lot like this, and you're going to be using a website called Weather Underground or Wonderground, and you're going to be getting to something that looks like this. So, the sheet is going to ask you to find 3 locations: Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Dallas, Texas, and you're going to be investigating the following data: the amount of cloud cover, this chance, and maybe the amount of precipitation, and then the wind speed under the lowest pressure, and then the same under the highest pressure. So we're looking at weather forecasts in the future for different cities. You're also going to be looking for 3 cities of your own. So maybe your grandmother lives in Orlando, Florida, or you have a cousin that lives in maybe San Francisco, California. You get to pick those cities. And when we're done, you're going to be investigating the trends. So the similarities between all of these cities under low pressure and the similarities between all of these cities under high pressure. To get to Weather Underground, you're going to open a new tab and you type in Weather Underground, wunderground.com, and that's going to take you to a tab that looks like this. You can search the locations of the cities in the top right, and you're going to start by searching Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. That will get you today's forecast. We're not really worried about today exactly. We're worried about the highest and lowest pressures in the future. And to get there, you're going to click on the 10-day forecast. It's going to take a little time to load. There's a lot of data there, so I'm going to click to the next tab. This is what you should see: the 10-day forecast. You'll need to take a minute to customize your personal graph. You're going to want the following clicked. You're going to want cloud cover, hourly liquid precipitation, chance of precipitation, pressure, temperature, and wind speed. So 6 of those boxes should be clicked. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get the graph in front of you, and as you notice, as I scroll left and right, this tells me all the information I'm going to need to fill out my chart. You're going to find the pressure in the future that's the lowest. So as I look at this, as I get right about here, the forecast is for the pressure in inches of mercury to be 29.43. And at that point in time, they're predicting that we're going to give a temperature of 66 degrees Fahrenheit. They're predicting 98% cloud cover, 24% rain, and a little bit of 24% chance of rain, and then maybe getting a couple inches of rain during that time. And if I kind of go left and right during that time, you can see as the pressure is dropping, things are happening. Chance of rain, chance of cloud cover, and this is the information that you would write down. Don't forget to include wind speed, which is down here below. You can include the speed, 15 miles an hour from the southwest. That's both the direction and the wind speed. After I get the low pressure, I'm going to want to find the point at which is the highest pressure, which would be about right here. And you can see that the pressure has changed. That black line is changing all the time, 24/7, 365. You don't feel that, but it does affect your weather. So at this point in time, they're predicting that we're going to have 30.39 inches of mercury, 4% chance of cloud cover, 3% chance of rain, and no accumulation in inches. And then the wind speed is only supposed to be 6 from the south-southwest. And as you're doing this, we want you to look at other things too, like how the pressure is changing over time. How does that affect cloud cover? How does that affect temperature? How does that affect the wind speed? So you can see the wind is changing directions over time. So this should help you with Student Sheet 4.4. You're going to be doing Sun Prairie and then 5 other cities: Lincoln, Nebraska, Dallas, Texas, and 3 cities of your choice. And we're looking for trends with low pressure systems and trends with high pressure systems. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher, and have a great day, Cardinals.